Artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs, a report by investment bank Goldman Sachs says. It could replace a quarter of work tasks in the US and Europe, but may also mean new jobs and a productivity boom. And it could eventually increase the total annual value of goods and services produced globally by 7%. Employment prospects. The government is keen to promote investment in AI in the UK, which it says will ultimately drive productivity across the economy, and has tried to reassure the public about its impact. Lower wages. What ChatGPT does, for example, is allow more people with average writing skills to produce essays and articles. Journalists will therefore face more competition, which would drive down wages, unless we see a very significant increase in the demand for such work. Over the next few years, generative AI is likely to have similar effects on a broader set of creative tasks. Pinch of salt. According to research cited by the report, 60% of workers are in occupations that did not exist in 1940. But other research suggests technological change since the 1980s has displaced workers faster than it has created jobs. And if generative AI is like previous information technology advances, the report concludes, it could reduce employment in the near term. That's not to say that AI won't disrupt the way we work, but we should focus too on the potential living standards gains from higher productivity work and cheaper to run services, as well as the risk of falling behind if other firms and economies better adapt to technological change.